Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am bringing all of those beams inside here, and I am going to level the top surface. This milling machine here, everything is just completely straight level, and so I'm going to run a leveling bit across the tops of all of those, so that when I put the metal rails on them, they're working off of a completely level base. Getting to this project, I had planned on doing this project today, but we don't have any power. Our power is out on a planned outage, so I'm just getting setting up, and I'll get to it later as far as getting the milling done. So there's 10 of them. That's what I need for the lengthwise going on them. I'll get those leveled, and then I'll bring in these. These are the cross members. I'll bring them in and work on them. Okay, got them all smoothed out, a lot more accurate now, so I'll be able to lay those metal rails over the top of them and have a really nice level surface to work on.